Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Sequoia wiper blades. First, let's prepare. You'll need your new wiper blades. Remember, the driver's side is typically 26 inches and the passenger's side is 24 inches. A small flat blade screwdriver might be helpful for some clips, but often your hands are enough. Make sure your vehicle is off and the wipers are at rest. Now let's remove the old blades. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks. Be mindful as it is spring-loaded. Next, find the small release tab or button where the blade meets the arm. Press this tab, then slide the old blade straight down and off the arm. It should detach quite easily. Installing the new blades is straightforward. Take your new blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade upward onto the arm until you hear a clear click, confirming it's securely locked. This ensures it won't come loose during operation. Finally, gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto your windshield, being careful not to let it snap down. With your new blades installed, it's time for a quick test. Turn on your vehicle and run the wipers to confirm they operate smoothly and clear your windshield effectively. For the best visibility, always replace both front wiper blades at the same time. Remember to inspect your blades every 6 months and replace them annually to maintain clear vision on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.